Jai Hind Dosto. My name is 𝔼-𝔹𝕆𝕆𝕂𝕊 and I am the director of the Winning Edge Defense Academy. We are located at Dehradun. This video is for parents of the students or aspirants who want to join the Rashtriya Indian Military College and who are preparing for the December 2022 exam. As you know, December 2022 exam is scheduled on 3rd of December 2022. We are already running 3 batches for RIMC right now. We will be running a crash course from 1st of October. Now in this crash course of 45 days, we will have a quick revision of important topics. We will do 5 previous years papers and we will have a number of doubt classes. So if your child has already appeared for RIMC and he wants to brush up his knowledge, he or she now, even the girls are eligible to write for the, apply for the RIMC exam. So what we'll do is, we will complete the quick revision. We will make them attempt 5 previous years papers, and this crash course will be followed by a free mock test series of 10 days. From 16 November to 25 November, we will be having a 10 days mock test series in which fresh series of tests that our team has prepared, the candidates will be made to appear for that. The crash course registrations are open. Our contact details are given in the description along with this video. Our contact numbers of our counseling team are given on the screen. Please get in touch with us in case your child is seriously preparing to crack the RIMC exam in December 2022.